What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to delete a WhatsApp account. You have to open the app, then place on the three dots, then settings, choose account, here account, then here we have to delete a WhatsApp account, delete account. Here there is a note you should know that the account will be deleted from WhatsApp and all your devices. Your chat history will be erased. You'll be removed from all your WhatsApp groups. Your Google storage backup will be deleted. Any channels you created will be deleted. So you should know, or you should be aware of this once you delete your WhatsApp account. Or you can rather change the number. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.